Good afternoon, everyone. Right, so I've got air up, a little bit over 120 psi. I'm out, way out in the Irrawillipy plantation. It's a radiata pine plantation here in southwest Victoria. Beautiful day for it. Barely a breath of wind. It's cool. Oh, well, no, it's not really good. It's probably 13, 14 degrees Celsius. I've got my K3LL. It's all raised letter bells, 1L, 1 and 2. I've given it a test. I can hear some engines way off in the distance, so I hope I don't disturb them too much. I've given it a test. I've got override buttons on the control panel, so I can give it a half and a full test on the solenoids. I've given it a test. I've adjusted the choke valve on the low tone, the town tone. I've also given it a test with the remote control. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to walk on down there a couple of 100 meters and see how it goes. Okay, about 100 meters away from the trailer. Give it a half tone. Great success. Here we are about 250 meters distant of the trailer, and it's almost surreal. I've got the power all here. Echoes are sensational. You might note the delay between the button push and the sound, and it's sort of a bit tricky to get used to that. But yeah, I'm exceptionally happy so far. I might go back and plug in the RS5T. There's the RS5T hooked up. I'm only about 30 meters back from the trailer. Half tone. Full tone. Couple of blips on the throttle. So it's pretty responsive. Alright, I'll move back to that 250 meter mark and see you again in a mere second. Alright, way back at distance again with the RS5T. It should be noted that on the low tone, the quieter tone, I've got that ball valve to restrict it a little bit. I haven't touched that from using it with the K3LL. It's the same restriction, and of course the full tone is just flat out through the solenoid. But yeah, it seems to work really well as a half stage for an RS5T. So yeah, here we go. exceptionally happy. That big Leslie's sucked a lot of air. You probably hear it dying off a little bit. So I'm going to go and recharge, and yeah, I hope this has inspired people. This is something I've been aiming to do for a long time, you know, go out by myself, chill out in the bush, and be able to hear my horns at distance with the sequence on the valve that I want to hear. It's great going out with people, but I haven't always got people able to come out with me. And yeah, like I say, I hope it's inspired people watching to, you know, get out, play with your train horns, play with your ship horns, show them off, enjoy them. And yeah, have a great afternoon.